Are you ready to elevate your cooking game? Introducing the Martha Stewart Castelle 10-piece stainless steel cookware set, where elegance meets performance. This cookware set is designed to make every dish a masterpiece. Crafted from durable 18/8 stainless steel, it's built to last and resist everyday wear and tear. The impact-bonded aluminum core ensures even heat distribution, giving you perfectly cooked meals every time. With 2 saucepans, 2 frying pans, a sauté pan, and a Dutch oven, each with matching lids, you'll have the perfect tool for any recipe. And thanks to the interior measurement lines, you can easily measure ingredients without the guesswork. Safety and comfort? Covered. The double-riveted Y-shaped handles are heat-resistant and ergonomically designed for effortless use. And versatility is key. These pots and pans work on all stovetops, including induction, and are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Sear, bake, or sauté with confidence. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what customers are saying. Beautiful stainless of good quality that works on my induction cooktop. Food is evenly cooked and delicious every time. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to upgrade my kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.